Ants will keep coming back unless you change the conditions that attract them and block their entry paths. Start by removing food and water sources with a strict cleaning routine. Wipe counters after every use, store dry goods in sealed rigid containers, and clean up crumbs and spills immediately, including pet food bowls, which should be removed overnight. Inspect and fix any plumbing drips and condensation issues because ants follow moisture as well as food. Run a towel along under sinks and behind appliances to find hidden leaks. For chemical control, use a combination approach. Apply a residual barrier spray labeled for perimeter use around foundations and along baseboards every 3 months during active seasons, and apply granular bait or insecticide around the outer perimeter once per year, placing it where it will not wash into landscaping. Use gel baits indoors at active trails and near nests. Baiting is preferable to broad surface spraying because workers carry toxins back to the colony, reducing population at the source. Seal entry points by inspecting window screens, door sweeps, utility penetrations, and foundation cracks, using silicone or polyurethane caulk for gaps smaller than 1/4 inch and expanding foam for larger voids, and replace or repair damaged weather stripping. Finally, make habitat modifications outside by trimming vegetation and tree limbs that touch the house, keeping mulch and firewood at least 12 inches from siding, and grading soil so water drains away from the foundation. People often rely solely on one approach and expect permanent results, which fails because no single method eliminates the nest or prevents re-entry. Combine sanitation, exclusion, and targeted treatments instead. A second common issue is misplacing baits or using repellents that scatter foragers before they carry bait back to the colony. Place baits along active trails and be patient for several days rather than spraying trails directly. Third, homeowners neglect seasonal maintenance such as reapplying perimeter granules or resealing cracks. And the remedy is to schedule these tasks quarterly for sprays and yearly for granules, and a brief inspection and caulk touch-up every spring and fall. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and resources related to pest prevention as part of broader home maintenance planning. We maintain a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, contractor recommendations, and step-by-step tips to keep ants from returning.